how to add echo, delay, and reverb to audio in Audacity. To begin, I added an audio. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. First, move the playhead to the end of audio. Here we want to generate a little silence, so there will be some room for the echo effect. From Generate menu, click on Silence. Set duration to around 2 seconds and click OK. Now click on the left side of the audio track to select everything. From Effect menu, Delay and Reverb, select Echo. Set delay time of echo and decay factor to 0.5 and click Apply. The decay factor set to 0.5 reduces the loudness of each echo by half each time, so the audio dies out quite slowly. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Now undo the changes. From Effect menu, Delay and Reverb, select Delay. With this effect we also can add delay and echo to the audio, but also we can change the pitch for the echoes. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Undo the changes once more. This time add a reverb effect. Set the preset to large room. Then increase room size and click Apply. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.